and welcome back to our channel. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and make sure to click that notification bell and thumbs up this video. And without further ado, let's hop to it. Okay, so if you're anything like me, you absolutely love knee-high boots, but when you walk, they slide down. Super annoying, right? I know, I totally get it. If you're wondering how to solve this problem, stay tuned and I will tell you. Okay, so the things that you will be needing are Velcro, elastic, thread, and needle, and of course your knee-high boots. Okay, so the first step is that you're going to measure the elastic around each of your legs up to the point where your boot comes to. Then you're gonna cut the elastic. And then sew the ends together.
Should've worshipped him sooner. If the heavens ever did speak, he's the last true mouthpiece. Every Sunday's getting more bleak.
Then after this step, you're going to sew on an elastic, maybe like an inch by an inch, like square, to 3 sides of the elastic. So like 1 in the front of your leg and then 2 on the other sides of your leg.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
Then you're gonna line up the other side of the Velcro to the strap to see where it lines up.
We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand.
And then there you go, you are all done. So the one side Velcros to the other, and you can run, dance, walk, party the night away, girlfriend. They will not fall down on you, I guarantee it. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then please like it. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and even hit that notification bell. So yeah, that's it. That's all for this video. Bye!